we are always in touch with the leadership of Piston. Lahat naman yan kinakausap natin para maintindihan. Yung aming puso ay nasa kanila. If they only understand up to the last minute ang pinag-uusapan ng board, kung paano pa natin mapipiga ang pamasahe na to para mas lalong makatulong sa ating mga transport operators and drivers. Pero alanganin nila. Kung mawalan sila ng pasero, kung wala silang pasero, mas mahirap yun. So I think it's an all of government approach talaga yung ginagawa na ating presidente, yung tinitingnan yung excise tax, tinitingnan yung toll fees para dun sa mga iba pang klaseng publiko sasakyan. Diba? The other expenses tinitingnan natin, diba? Yung huli ng yung mga kolorong vehicles, tuloy-tuloy naman po yan. Subsidiya na binibigay. Unang-una na nga yung jeepney sector dyan. Driver ang bibigyan. Diba? 2 waves pa ho yan, sigurado na. Yung subsidiya, ay ayuda na binibigay na ang DSWD, meron pang subsidiya na ibibigay ng DOTR. So these are all food. We hope not one is enough. Tanggap naman natin yan. Not one is enough. At sana pag pinagdikit-dikit natin to, sana kahit paano maraos natin itong problemang to. And we are one with everybody, with the world siguro, no? Na matapos na itong gerang to. Kasi the longer it takes now, the harder it is to sustain. Diba? Pero hindi po sampal itong very increase na to. If you historically monitor the movement of jeepney fares for the last 20 years, this is one of the most liberal increases made by government.